Hey everybody, it's Roland Real from Complete Trader Academy with another daily review. Today is Wednesday, November 23, 2022. We're going to jump right into it here. So we had another bullish candle today, right here. Zoom in a little bit for you. Price opened up, came down, came back up. Didn't hit that high, which I'm expecting for it this week for it to happen for sure. Let's jump right into a 5-minute. All right, and this is how the day went. I'm gonna just kind of zoom out a little bit, actually, including yesterday. So as you see here, we rallied up, took out that previous high right there, broke structure for bullish. We've been looking for bullish, it's been going bullish, and then today, so price settled yesterday there, opened up. Let me go into a 5-minute now. You can see it better. And this was the day. So opened up, took out the highs, came up, structure up, bullish. This is now London, widening up, shakeout we call it. Came down, 7 o'clock, came down, broke, took out these lows. So now this is 8:30. We do have news today, but wasn't that much movement. But we did break and make a new higher high, and we need some type of pullback. And where would that pullback come from? Well, it'll come back down here. They already displayed that, all of London coming down into the New York session. Price was coming down. And I knew we had a higher objective, which was to reach that previous month's low. I'm sorry, month's high. So I mean, obviously you can tell price is getting drawn to it. So we're looking to take that out. So we're looking for buys. Price came down, came into this demand zone. I'm drawing it this way so you can see it better. Price came into this demand zone here, and then started to build bullish order flow. Price came down. Could have been a buyer in here, but if you want more confirmation, price then came up, came back down into this block here, into this demand again. Boom. That was your buy entry as soon as it came in. Price never broke that low, created order flow, boom. News came out. Well, I'm sorry, 9:30 open came out, rushed up, came up, took most profits here because I knew this was going to be a funky day. I thought it could even reverse and go down, but I knew we had this objective. So price then came back up, and this was setting up for a sell, which I knew was suspect because it was taking its time to do it. Price came back into this imbalance after breaking this low, and you would think that's a sell, but I had a feeling it was just taking out liquidity so it can come back higher, kind of like a speaker shape, which sure enough it was. See this, and then see this, shaking out, low, high, see that? So very classic price delivery of manipulation. Then price came after taking these lows, came back up. You see this? Came back up, then came back down right into this block right here. So that was another buy entry right there. Took it up and was trying to get this high, but didn't want to happen. Then price just closed. So we'll see it. We'll see all this happen this week. Eventually taking this out, and then we'll start looking for lower prices. If I go back out on the daily, excuse me. Yeah, you'll see that we're bullish. We're going for this high, getting in. We're going to get into maybe some of this area here, into this block, and then probably come down, or we might come into this wick right here. I'll even draw it now. We might get into this wick, which would be a supply wick, and And then we also have this high. So these three levels are now in the picture here. So we're taking out this high, and it could just go above it and then start sinking, right? Or can come more up into this area, price balance like right here, right up to the block, and then drop off. But if it wants to keep for a deeper retracement, you know the next target's going to be the 50% of this candle, which would be here in the middle, or this opening of the candle, or the within the wick, or the high of that wick. So either one of these is going to happen. I don't know if it's, I mean, I really can't say, but could it come in and take out the liquidity sitting here? Now I'm starting to think that right from here to here. I don't know. I think we're seeing its final push up. I think this is the final drive. Whatever this does here is going to be the final drive and then come down. So, all right, I hope this helps. Take care. God bless.